Hello guys, this is Dr. Majid Khan. Today I met a girl. She is Mika from Germany and she's here in Pakistan since over 1 year and 4 months. She's sharing love. She traveled 11 countries and she's here in Pakistan now. She's sharing love with everyone. So here she is with me. Okay.
Hello, I'm so happy to make this with you. I'm happy to meet you, not you in a direct way, but in this way. And I'm Mika. I come from Germany with my husband and our dog in our car. We make a special big art project to meet people all over the world as one family. Like making good things in the way of smiling, talking, spreading something, sharing, making bigger things in a way of art projects or sharing, so helping. And everything what we can do, we do out of the heart, for free. And if people like, they share some things for free back, like sharing in every way and growing the positive energy. Thank you so much. Shukriya.
Okay, that's all what she wanted to say, and you can all share love as she's sharing love with everyone, and this world is full of happiness and positive vibes, so don't keep negative vibes in you. Thank you so much.
अगर आपने अभी तक हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो अभी सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकॉन को क्लिक करके हमारी लेटेस्ट वीडियोस के बारे में अपडेट जानें।